Good morning. Now, exercise 11.1, question number 5. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. First we draw here triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree centimeter. 60 degree, sorry. First we draw here triangle ABC. We draw BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Sorry. BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, BC. Angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. How to draw angle 60 degree? Here angle B is equal to 60 degree. We know in standard 9 how to draw angle B is equal to 60 degree. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Here AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Triangle ABC is our given triangle. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to 6 centimeter, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 60 degree. Draw any ray BX opposite to vertex A such that acute angles CBX is equal to acute angle X. How many parts? 3 by 4. Which number is greater? 4. Then take making 4 parts on 4 points locate on ray BX such that all measures are equal. BB1 is equal to BB2 is equal to BB3 is equal to BB4. Look at their name: BP1, BP2, B2, B3 and B3, B4. All are equal. Now join its denominator. What is its denominator? 4. Then join B4 to C. Join B4 to C. Yes. B4 to C. Now, parallel to B3. B4 C intersecting BC through B3. 3 by 4, then its numerator, draw parallel. Now we take here angle, its parallel side. How? Same measure on B3, putting compass on B3 and draw this arc. Both arc are equal. Now measure this angle. Here this angle is now draw this angle and then parallel to through B3, parallel to B4C. Its intersect BC, intersect yes, it's correct. Now intersect ABC at C days. BC at C days. Same. Now parallel from AC, from C dash to AC. Parallel to AC through C dash. How parallel draw? Then parallel which intersect AB at A dash, which intersect AB at A dash. Now A dash B C dash, which is our required triangle A dash B C dash, which is whose sides are 3 by 4 of corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now we write steps of construction. Steps of construction. First we draw triangle ABC. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equals to 6 centimeter. BC is equals to 6 centimeter. AB is equals to 5 centimeter. AB is equals to 5 centimeter and angle ABC is equals to 60 degree. Then we draw any ray BX such that BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to vertex A. Locate 4 points B1, B1, B2, B3 and B4 on BX such that BB1 is equals to B1 B2 is equals to B2 B3 is equals to B3 B4. Then join which? B4 to C. Join B4C and parallel line through B3 and draw a line through B3 parallel to B4C, intersecting BC at C dash. All steps in this construction triangle are similar. Next, parallel C dash, draw a line through C dash parallel to CA, intersecting BA at A dash, then triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Again, steps of construction. Again, first we draw triangle ABC. BC is equals to 6 centimeter. BA, angle ABC is 60 and BA is equals to 5 centimeter. Then we draw such array, any ray BX, making an acute angle opposite to A, vertex A. Look at how many points? 3 by 4 here. Then 4 is larger number. 4 points on it and taking B1 point, B1, B2, B3, B4. B1 is equals to B2, B3, B1, B2 is equals to B2, B3 is equals to B3, B4. Join denominator number 4, B4 to C. Then draw parallel to B4C through B3 and intersecting BC at C dash. Through parallel line, draw a parallel line through C dash, parallel to AC and intersecting BA at A dash. Therefore, triangle A dash B C dash is our required triangle, and here we write our steps. Here question number 5 is completed here. Now, question number 6. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equals to 7 centimeter, angle B is equals to 45 degree, angle A is equals to 105 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Here first we draw BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Here one side is given and two angles are also given. First we draw BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Here BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Now angle B is equals to 45. First we draw angle B is equals to 45. $60, 120. Then we draw 90 angle. After then half of this angle, put scale is and more than half. here taking and 0, draw bisector of angle 90. We know the bisector of angle 90 is equals to 45. Now this angle is 45. Angle ABC is equals to angle B is equals to 45. Complete here. Then angle A is equals to 105. Here B is equals to 45. Angle A here and angle C. Which measure of these angles C? In triangle ABC, angle A is equals to 105, B is equals to 45, then C is equals to. We draw here angle C, then it is also automatically angle A is equals to 105. But find angle C. In triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Therefore, 105 plus 45 plus angle C is equals to 180. 150 plus angle C is equals to 180. Then angle C is equals to 180 minus 150. 105 plus 45, then 150. 180 minus 150, 30. Angle C is equals to 30. Here we draw angle C is equals to 30. Then it is a bisect of angle 60. First we draw here angle 60. Then bisector of angle 60 is equals to 30. It is angle A is also 105. Angle A is also 105. It is not necessary to show that angle C is equals to 30. We draw here angle C is equals to 30 and angle A is equals to 105 degree. Now it is our complete triangle. Given triangle ABC with side BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equals to 45. Angle A is equals to 105. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 4 by 3 times. Then we draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC angle any ray BX. Locate how many points? Locate how many points on BX? Then 4 by 3 with number greater 4. Locate 4 points on BX. Equal part. We locate here 4 points. BP1, B1, B2, B2, B3 and B4, B3, B4. Locate 4 points B1, B2, B3 and B4. 4 by 3 times. Which points join to C? Third number, part number 3. B3 join to C. B3 join to C. Here we join B3 to C. Its denominator is 3. Then for B3 join to C. Now through B4, its numerator is 4. Through B4, parallel line to B3C. We know how to parallel line. To draw parallel line, first we draw any arc, taking same measure and put it on B4 because we draw parallel line through B3, B4. Now what is the angle of between them? Same measure. Now B4, B3C parallel to B4 extended. We extended here line BC. Extended line B yeah, we extended line BC and parallel to B3C through B4. Here parallel to B3C to B4. First we draw light line and join it and dark line. It's intersect at C dash. Now through C dash parallel to AC. Through C dash parallel to AC. How we draw parallel line? First we draw here, put here C and then put C dash. Now what is angle? Its measure is this. Then we draw here this angle and pass it from C dash through C dash parallel to AC parallel to AC, which is intersect extended line BA at. Now highlight our triangle A dash B C dash, which is our required triangle. Now, steps of construction. It is our extended line. Rub it. Now, steps of construction. First, we draw a triangle ABC. Draw a triangle which is given triangle. Triangle ABC with side BC, with side BC is equals to 7 centimeter, with side BC is equals to 7 centimeter. Angle B is equals to 45 degree. Angle A is equals to 105 degree. How it is 105? Then we draw angle C is equals to, find angle C. Angle A plus B plus C is equals to 180. Therefore, angle C is equals to 180 minus A plus B is equals to 150. 180 minus 150, angle C is equals to 130. Angle C is equals to 30. Here we draw angle C is equals to 30, then it is 30, 45, it is 105. Draw any ray. Draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to vertex A. Draw a triangle. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First is given triangle. Write its steps. Second step, draw any ray BX such that. Now third step is, next step is locate how many points. Then here 4 by 3, 4. Locate 4 points. Right, against this step is like this: 4 points B1, B2, B3 and B4 on BX, ray BX, such that BP1 is equals to B1 B2 is equals to B2 B3 is equals to B3 B4 is equals to B3 B4. Then what we do? We join which number? Join B3C. Join B3 to C and draw a line. Draw a line through B4. Through B4 parallel to B3C, B3C and intersecting the extended line segment, the extended line segment BC at C dash. Draw a line through C dash parallel to CA intersecting the extended line segment BA at A dash. Then triangle A dash B C dash, A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Steps of construction. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC is equal to 7 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 and angle A is equal to 105. Draw any ray BX such that B acute angle with BC on the side opposite to A. Locate 4 points B1, B2, B3, B4 on BX such that BB1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3 is equal to B3, B4. Now we join 4 by 3. Our ratio is 4 by 3. Then we join third number point B3 to C and through B4 parallel line, draw a line parallel to B3C and it's intersecting BC extended at C dash. Then through C dash we draw parallel line to AC which intersect AC BA extended BA at A dash. Now A dash B C dash which is our required triangle.